and the Clouds on Star 94.3. Dave Lister, Sunday afternoon. On the phone with me now is Sachin from TrustCircle. He's a Osaka Fellow and change maker, innovator for the public, and the founder and CEO of TrustCircle. Sachin also serves as a global advisor for the Movement for Global Mental Health. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, David. Thank you for having me on the show.
Certainly. TrustCircle is fostering well-being for thousands of students, youth in California and globally. Can you tell us a little bit more about TrustCircle?
Imagine a world where social-emotional learning is core to our education system and that students move to the next grade or next step in life with an I can attitude. That is precisely what TrustCircle aims for. TrustCircle is a research-backed, globally acclaimed well-being technology platform that utilizes artificial intelligence-driven social-emotional learning programs that are focused on prevention and early intervention. These programs are designed to help improve emotional resilience and well-being for our students of all age groups. Students leverage the TrustCircle platform and practice the art of self-reflection and journaling that in turn empowers them to understand and manage their emotions, connect with themselves deeply, and can seek help from the school counselors from any device, anytime, which is now more than ever important as they are practicing their remote learning and may need emotional help. Administrators, counselors, and school districts and leaders, on the other hand, can leverage TrustCircle's data-driven model and well-being insights of their community for identifying targeted proactive interventions that they can implement to inspire well-being for their entire student community.
Researchers and educators in California and globally are calling TrustCircle a game changer. How can TrustCircle help students and youth in the state of Hawaii amidst the COVID-19 pandemic?
The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted us all, including the well-being of millions of our students who are facing this unprecedented crisis and need immediate help. As of today, over 1.5 billion students are under lockdown globally, and certainly this is taking toll on their overall well-being. Since TrustCircle platform is scalable, secure, multilingual, device agnostic, and can be implemented and administered 100% remotely, TrustCircle can serve the remote learning needs for entire student community of Hawaii with speed and scale. This is how it works. Assuming that we sign the work agreement with Department of Education or school districts or even with individual schools, we can quickly, in a matter of days, can create a unique white-labeled solution that is FERPA and COPA compliant for each school that will be only accessible to the school's administrators, counselors, and their student community only.
Okay, well, we would definitely want to learn more about this. We're going to talk more with Sachin from TrustCircle coming up. I've got music from Faith Hill and Wham on the way. And we're talking about his organization. Researchers and educators are also calling out TrustCircle and saying it can help save lives. Can you share how it can save lives, Sachin?
Sure, David. And we truly are blessed to serve in these unprecedented times. One of the core aspects of TrustCircle is to inspire social emotional learning as a core in the education system. But at the same time, our artificial intelligence-driven technology platform can understand patterns and identify risks, whether the risks are coming from academic life or social life or personal life in case of a student and pushing the student over the edge. So the platform identifies out of, let's say, 10,000 students in a district, probably maybe 10 or 20 who are needing more attention. That way, TrustCircle administrators, the school administrators or district leaders can understand who needs help proactively and also the environmental factors that may need change, and they can implement those targeted proactive interventions. A quick example. In California, when we implemented this platform, very quickly as the platform was deployed, the students were inspired to use an easy accessible button called Seek Help. In a case of a student, a friend of this student inspired and clicked the Seek Help button and motivated the administrators by sharing the incident, why the student needs help. The administrators got notified immediately. They got into action, got the student, gave them the counseling, and diffused the emotional baggage that the student was carrying, and realized that this student eventually was helped in time, which otherwise would have been missed. So essentially, that's how we can help, our youth at risk amidst this COVID-19 pandemic, because they don't have access to counselor's office anymore. But with TrustCircle, they can.
We're talking with Sachin from TrustCircle. We're going to come back and talk a little bit more to him. This is a great organization, and they provide a great service. Sachin, if you'll hang on for just a little while longer.
Absolutely.
More music coming up on Star 94.3. Eric Clapton. There's always a better song playing on Star 94.3. Dave Lister, Sunday afternoon, talking with Sachin from TrustCare. Sachin, what inspired you to commit to this noble mission and create an impact for global level?
In 1994, my brother was bullied in school and had an emotional breakdown. Family, teachers, friends missed the early signs of risk, even though they were so close to him. What happened with my brother should never happen with anyone else, and that became the core of the company's missions. That exactly is what TrustCircle does. We help identify factors of risk in the environment or at the individual level proactively using the AI engine that helps us do this at scale. And that inspires targeted proactive interventions and hence saves lives.
Well, how can someone interested in implementing and partnering with TrustCircle contact you?
Sure. So they can go to the website called TrustCircle.co, and they can just click request demo or contact us, or they can just directly email me, Sachin, SACHIN, at TrustCircle.co. As we said, we are blessed as a team to serve in these unprecedented times. We will be happy to partner and share our work with anyone interested, and we can do that at speed and scale.
Sachin from TrustCircle, thank you so much for talking with us today. We appreciate it, and good luck to you in all your efforts.
Thank you, David.
I've got some Sarah Bareilles coming up on Star.